Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And today, if you see, markets were volatile, moving down a little bit. Nifty also trying to move down a little bit, right? But still, is this a sign of bearishness or is this just a pullback, right? We'll need to decide that, and very easily we can decide that by seeing where exactly the market opens tomorrow, first of all, and then how what sort of price action do we see in the market, right? So for tomorrow, plan is going to be very simple. Tomorrow, if market opens with a gap down, chances are things will become a little bit negative and Bank Nifty could slide down till 46,000 in the coming days, right? What type of gap down? A gap down near the support, and if we start sustaining near the support itself and do not take a support and do not move up very fast from here, then chances are Bank Nifty will take support, will break the support and go down till 46,000 on the downside. That is if you open with a gap down near 46,400 or below that level, right? So for tomorrow, 46,400 area will be very important to watch out for. If we open with a gap down over here or below this area, then most probably we'll wait for price action on the downside, and as soon as we see price action, we will go ahead and take a short position. Our target first will be 46,200 on the downside. That will be a small target, and then the big target will be 46,000 to 46,100 area, right? Because as I had said, this area was a support. So market will most probably try to go till there, and then we'll need to see, is market taking a very good support from this area, or is market again showing signs of weakness near this area? Because if market shows signs of weakness near this area over here, then chances are maybe market might go down to make a new low even below this level, right? But that is a little bit of a far-fetched scenario. Let's focus for tomorrow. Again, on the downside, as I said, I hope you understood that. On the upside, this trend line is going to be very important. If we are opening with a gap down, if we are opening with a gap up above 46,700, then market will try to move up, and again, market may not give you momentum tomorrow itself, because again, market will just be in a range, right? But if you are opening with a gap up, then most probably market will try to keep itself in this range and then break out in the coming days, right? So if we try to open with a gap up, and then once we either take a little bit of pullback till 46,600 and then start to move up, right? So if you are saying price action being made near today's closing and then we start to move up, then also you can go ahead and take a bullish trade. Your first target will be 46,900, and then second target will be 47,050 to 47,000 on the upside, right? So if we open with a gap up, most probably market will stay in this range over here of 47,300 to 46,500. But yes, at lower levels, if you are seeing that market is taking support after opening with a gap up, then we can take a bullish position also over here, because then there will be a breakout of this trend line. So most probably market will try to go up. What the market will show you if we open the gap up is that market opens with a gap up above this trend line, and then it goes below this trend line, right? After opening with a gap up, showing everyone that it is a breakout failure. But it won't really be a breakout failure until and unless there is proper price action and we go below 46,500, 520, right? Below 46,520 is where it will be confirmed that there will be a breakout failure of this trend line, right? But yes, above 46,520, there will still be chances that market comes again below this trend line and then makes price action and continues to move up from there, right? If we open with a very big gap up, we can't really do anything, because then the market will stay in this range and things will be volatile. So we will need to give market and one day to make proper structure, make proper price action over here, right? Talking about Nifty again coming and closing in this basically channel over here, right? Nifty tried to go down below that channel, and we had also said below 22,150, once we have price action, we will take a short position, and you would have gotten price action over here, somewhere over here, right, in this candle, and then you would have gotten a good target till 22,075, although our target of 22,050 to 20,060 did not arrive. So yes, that is a little bit of bummer for today. But anyways, what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now on the upside, there are multiple resistances in Nifty also, which are 22,200, 22,170. But yes, above, once we start sustaining above this upper trend line, right? Once we start sustaining above this upper trend line, and once we start making positive price action above this upper trend line, that is when we will go ahead and take a bullish trade. Before that, we will not take a bullish trade. Please keep that in mind, right? This trend line is the only resistance that we need to look out for, and 22,200. These two resistances will be very important. I will go ahead and make 22,200 for you guys so that you can see it, right? This resistance and this trend line is going to be very important. But yes, above this trend line, if you are sustaining, then people will start covering their short position, but major short covering will come about 22,200 only, right? So 22,200 will be a safe bet if you want to take a long position. So above 22,200, once we start making higher highs, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade. But if you want to take an entry a little bit early, you can start taking positions above this trend line also, right? So I hope that is clear for you guys. If we open the gap down below 22,075, right? Basically today's low, and if we start sustaining and start making negative price action, chances are market will try to go below 22,000 and most probably come till this low over here, because there is not really a good support that can be seen aside from 22,000 itself. So below 22,075, if we start making negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bearish trade in nifty. Your target will be 22,000 first of all on the downside, and then 22,960 to 960 to 965, right? So I hope that is clear for you guys. And yeah guys, that was it for today. Most probably tomorrow's closing will be a little bit important to decide where the market wants to go. Do we want to take a bigger do we want to take a bigger pullback on the downside and then start to move up, or are we sustaining at these levels itself and then we will continue to move up in the coming days, right? So yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.